Maker. I'm going to show you how to make an interactive Google slide presentation that is also self-correcting. So far right now I have my Google slide window open and I have all of the pictures that I want to use over here. Today's activity, we're doing clean or dirty. I'm going to put in my title now, which is clean or dirty. I'm going to delete this text box. I'm going to slide these in instead. Make them a little bit smaller so that they fit. They're about the same size. Not perfect, but you know, close. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is add a new blank slide. I'm going to insert a text box. This blank slide is going to serve as the template for all of the question slides. So I'm typing in my question. I like things in the center. And I'd like the font to be bigger. Maybe that big. Okay, so the next thing that I like to do when I'm doing these is to create a spot in the middle of the page that is where I'm going to drop my target picture. This helps me keep all of the slides looking the same. We'll continue with the blue theme maybe, although I don't like that blue. Let's try this one. Okay, so we're continuing with the blue theme. Then I'm going to put in the clean and dirty pictures again, as those are the choice that the students will be clicking on to answer the question. Just going to do a little bit of resizing. Okay, now this becomes a template slide. So I have 9 targets to work on. There's no reason it's 9 except that I found 9 pictures. So you're going to click on the slide over here in the preview, either a right click or if you're using a trackpad, 2 fingers together. You're going to click duplicate slide and you're going to do that until you have 9 of them. That one, if you hear any purring in the background, it's my cat. His name is Lancelot and he thinks he's helping. Okay, so these are now the slides for the targets to put into. So I'm going to move the targets in. Some of them need to be resized because they are pictures from the internet. I'm going to probably finesse them a little bit later because I like things to look a little bit cleaner, but I'm just trying to get all of this set up so that you can see how to do it. I'm just checking to make sure that all of my pictures are in there because it seems like I missed one. I did. Okay, so now I have all of my target question slides done. I'm going to add another blank slide, and this is going to become the template for the correct answers. So you can use different ways to do that. I am going to use the happy face. And I'm going to add some fill to it so it doesn't look quite so scary. Okay, so that smiley face is hopefully indicating to the student that they got this answer correct. The next thing you need to do is put in an arrow so that they can click on it and go to the next slide. And again, I'm going to change the color. We're going to stick with the green theme because green for correct. So this then becomes the template for all of the correct answers. You can put in a text box over here that says next question. So this then becomes a template, as I said, for all of the correct answers. So again, you need to duplicate this slide so that there's 9 copies of it, which means I'm duplicating it 8 times. 1, okay. So now I'm going to put in another blank slide, although that time it went in the wrong spot, so I'm just dragging it down. This is now going to be the template for the incorrect answer. So I'm going to come up here and choose a shape. I am going to choose this X here. I do not like that one, so I'm going to try a different one. Oh, we'll do that one, the no symbol. Universally known. We're going to make it red. So hopefully this indicates to the student that they got this question incorrect. I am now going to choose an arrow again. I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to go with a subtle red color for the arrow. I'm going to add a text box here that says, try again. And then I need to make 9 copies of this slide. I think I made one too many, but we'll get there. Okay, so here comes the tricky part. You come back to your original slide. So this is my first question, slide number 2. It says, is this clean or dirty? This is obviously a clean shirt. So I'm going to click over here on my clean because that's the correct answer. I'm going to slide down. I'm going to link it to slide 11 because that is the first correct answer in the first correct answer slide rather. So you click, again, it's the 2-finger click I lied, you don't do that. You click on the slide, insert link, and then I just unclicked it. So we're gonna try that again. Insert link, slide in this presentation, and you wanna go to slide 11, apply. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here to dirty. That is the incorrect answer for this, so we're going to the first slide that is for the incorrect answer, which is slide 20. So we're gonna do that again, insert link, slide in this presentation, slide number 20, apply. Okay. Now, rather than making you go through this and watching me do it for every single slide, I'm going to come down to slide 11. You can either click it here, or you can click here and click on slide 11 and it'll take you there. Now I want to make a link that's connected to this arrow that is going to take us to the next question, which in this case will be on slide number 2, or rather slide number 3, because we just answered slide number 2. So I'm going to select the arrow. I'm going to come back up here to insert link, slide in this presentation, slide number 3, apply. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to slide 3. I'm going to go to slide 2, rather, because I need to... Oh, did I not save it? Well, that's a fun time. It looks like it didn't save the links. We'll try that again. Insert link, slide in this presentation, slide 11, apply. Insert link, slide in this presentation. We said that one was slide 20. Apply. So now we're going to go to slide 20. I'm going to click here, and we want that to link us back to the original question, which was on slide 2. So you're going to link it to slide 2, click apply, and then hopefully this all works out. So we are going to present it from the beginning to practice. And go to the next slide. So this is the slide that should take us if the links are all working. So I'm going to click clean, and it takes us to this slide. You click on the arrow for next question, and it took us to the slide number 3. And if I clicked dirty, it took me to that slide, and I click back, and it takes us back to slide number 2. Hopefully this all makes sense. If you have any questions, you can certainly email me, and good luck.